Aaron Hernandez had an advanced stage 3 of CTE, which is usually found in the median age of a 67-year-old man. I will say, for lawyers representing athletes of contact sports, that this is something you should definitely consider having your clients take some of the presumptive tests that are available. It's something that we considered as a team, but did not pursue simply because his defense was one of actual innocence and not one of mitigation. It's something I deeply regret. Today we're also announcing that my team has filed a federal lawsuit suing the NFL and the New England Patriots on behalf of Aaron Hernandez's daughter, AVL Hernandez.